Welcome everyone. The problem in chemical kinetics. The unit of the rate constant of a reaction is mole to the power minus 2, liter to the power 2, second to the power minus 1. Determine the order of the reaction. Here given the unit of the rate constant is mole to the power minus 2, liter to the power 2, second to the power minus 1. In general, the units of the rate constant for the nth order reaction are mole to the power 1 minus n, liter to the power n minus 1, second to the power minus 1, where n is the order. Therefore, 1 minus n is equal to minus 2 or n is equal to 3. So, the order of the reaction is third order. Thank you for watching this video.